7 o'clock morning and
Good morning, guys.
hello! Today we are going to South Africa.
Cape Town. We will fly in half an hour. How to eat?
Welcome to Food Sniper. So there is many things to do there, and it will be really nice to be there.
It's very tasty. Hey, welcome guys. We just arrived to Cape Town. Good morning. I'm so happy to be here in Cape Town. Today I will show you why Cape Town is an amazing city. Today we are going to book up and we are going to Truth Cafe, enjoy this wonderful African cafe, waterfront, long street and many other attractions. I'm sleepy, but stay with us. Yes, this is the third round. You have to come here and see the view. Yep. Friday evening. Waterfront, you can see the map. So we're going to see where is what kind of mall, which is on the left side. Hi there. Kind of shop, a kind of mall here. You can drink a juice, whatever you want.
1.5.
You can shop here. We have some handworks things here. So cute color. This is the team in 2014. People who have made this. You can drink tea, chocolate, coffee.
Now it's ready.
It's ready.
Yes, it's ready.
Why cappuccino?
Yes, a large cappuccino. So this is double shot of coffee.
Yep. Yes. Thank you. So, what can you say about this quality of the coffee?
Yeah, this is one of the best coffee in the world.
The best coffee in the world from
Yes,
Mr.
from Mr. Gavin Digwe.
Mr. Gavin, come here and drink coffee.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. This is the Table Mountain. We can see here from the top. You can take the cable car for 340 rand, or you can take the Golden Eye here for approximately 220, and you can enjoy the view. Yes.
Baba, we stop.
Yes, we're in Cape Town waterfront. The view is panoramic. It's excellent. This is the Golden Eye of Cape Town, and I am having fun.
So we took an ice cream, which is with chocolate, vanilla, I think, and it's very tasty.
We try some peanut ice cream. See this? It's really tasty, and the chocolate is a little crunchy also.
And we are near the waterfront, so a little bit later we will see the Africans dancing and dancing.
We are in a long street. This is one attraction that you can enjoy in Cape Town, and Long Street is just right there. Right there. There's many cafes, many restaurants. We are in Lola Cafe. This is Long Street, and you will see here the cafe. This is the choice. So for now, we took the sweetie boy, coconut, and with avocado. Ooh, I'm hungry. So the smoothie consists on roasted almond, mango. You see the coffee? We took some smoothie. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, we are here in the food bazaar, and we will go and have a look inside. It's something traditional, typical from Cape Town. See here rice, biryani rice. So, the chicken is here. Let's give it a try. You see? It's really crunchy, you know? Grilled chicken. It's really, really tasty. Crunchy, little spicy. You get to remember the peri-peri wine. The peri-peri is soft, it's creamy, and also spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, so here we have an artist, African artist, and he can send you whatever you want online. So I have his business card.
If you order one item, let's say the items that start from 250. If you order about 3 of them,
Okay.
or let's say if it's an item of 500 rands,
Yeah.
if you order 3 of them,
Yeah.
then I will not charge you. You will not pay postage because I'll deduct that 300 rands
Okay.
postage from the price that I
Okay,
charge.
so if you buy 2 items, he may make a discount.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you'll be paying, if you buy 2, then you might end up paying half of the postage.
Yeah.
Instead of paying 300 rands, you'll be paying 150.
Okay.
So I'll give you a discount of 150
Yeah.
on that product that you buy. With some product, for sure, I give 100 rands discount. So if you take 2, you get 200 rands discount.
Yeah.
And then you'll be paying 100 rands for postage.
Okay.
But if you order 3
Yeah.
on that, or let's say 3 things of 500 rands,
Yeah.
I'll give 100 rands each discount. So you don't pay the postage.
Okay.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Brian, and have a nice one. Nice meeting you.
This is our peppermint. Very tasty. It has a mint flavor and milky, and it's quite cheap. Only approximately €2, so which means 32 ZAR local money. It's quite cheap and tasty. You speak you African art, Cape Town. I love this style. It's really great. See this? So, as you can see here, this is the African art.
Yeah, madam, you can get something good price for you.
The design, as you can see, it is fabulous, gorgeous, unbelievable. You can see here. Oh, I love this. Look at this, for example. Yeah? Look at this. And we have an artist here. He does this by himself. I bought a gift for my son.
Yeah, it's me, Aneke. I paint myself. Anyone who needs it, African map with animal inside, it's me who make it. That's Aneke, my name.
It was really a funny day, and hi guys, I'm tired. I need to relax. So tomorrow is another day. Hey,
If you like the video, please subscribe, leave a comment and give a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. See you in the next video. Thumbs up.
A wonderful city. Come here.